Hello everyone, this is Global Operation Group 14 presentation. This is my partner 吴成宇、俞明浩、肖匡宗、蔡子敬、张景。Next, this is our contents. Today I will talk about lean production. The core of lean production is to create value with minimal work. Lean production is any reward from the production philosophy of the Toyota production system. So it is also called Toyota Agent. It was not called lean product until 1990. Lean production is a production management method. It called content. It to is to achieve a manufacturing strategy of reduce inventory, save manpower, and improving product convertibility through rationalization and other means based on strong production resources. Lean production is not only a production method whose main goal is to minimize the resource occupied by enterprise production and reduce enterprise management and operating costs. It is also a concept and culture. Next is my partner Zhang Jing.
Okay, thank you. This part is about the benefits that lean management can bring to Meituan delivery. The benefits can be broadly divided into 5 points. The first is strengthening customers' relationships. Improve the overall service through timely communication with customers. There is also to meet the basic needs of customers and to accurately provide customers with what they need. This is very important. Build strong and reliable relationships with loyal customers to maintain a stable customer basis. The second is to reduce waste. Reduce the waste of the transportation movement and our resources in the management process and constantly improve the working process to avoid the excess and waste of resources. The third point is to promote organizational culture. Build a consensus within the organization, improve the way of interaction between superiors and subordinates, improve the degree of trust, and improve the atmosphere of the whole team organization. The fourth is to improve efficiency. Improve the overall efficiency of the organization, increase productivity, and establish the foundation of the efficient company of business. The last point is to improve the quality. It is beneficial to improve internal quality control of the organization, strengthen the control of work details, and reduce the defects and losses. Next, on the other hand, there are some challenges and adopting of lean management for Meituan delivery. The first is the management philosophy. The organization needs to understand the basic principles of lean management in more comprehensive way, clarify the difference between it and traditional management concepts, and improve the internal communication ability of the organization. The second is employee engagement. For adopting lean management, it is more important to make clear the employees are the basis of participating in lean management, and the employees' understanding of lean culture should be strengthened. The third is inconsistent delivery. The problem of delayed delivery or loss of goods should be considered in advance, and the fastest response and treatment should be made to reduce the occurrence of such problems. The last question of cost problem. In the use of lean management, to maximize benefits, the organization needs to better balance costs and benefits, and maximize the purpose of lean management. This is very important for the organization. Okay, next part is Chen Yu will introduce SWOT analysis. Thank you.
Thanks, Roger. And now comes to my part, SWOT analysis. First part is strengths. The low cost. The purpose of lean production is to minimize waste and reduce costs. The second is faster response. Because the production method is supplemented during lean production and the inventory is low at the same time, so it has the ability to respond quickly to changes in demand. The third is convenient management. Lean production has two streams. One is logics and the other is information flow. Its unique information flow guides production arrangements through circular turnover. The last is continuous improvement. Lean production pays the most attention to the improvement of production. Weaknesses is the industry has ceilings. Good group buying is not a healthy and sustainable profit. Transformation is difficult and competition pressure is very high. Opportunities. The takeaway market is an area where consumers have a wide range of choices, strong randomness in choosing, high consumption frequency, weak consumption continuity, weak price barriers, and common vacancies. They are relatively price sensitive. When the group takeaway payment is more favorable than the physical store, the Meituan takeaway order is preferred. Threats: the first is source and money. Although Meituan has just received a lot of financing and are more careful in planning, O2O is still a protracted battle, and now the competitor has become bad. The second is vertical industry competition. To Meituan, the movie has won, the hotel is doing well, but the competition will be more intense. As a comprehensive lifestyle website, Meituan has the advantage of high frequency of user visits. But if you invest a lot of energy into vertical websites, the competition can be quite fierce. The last is difficulty in business transformation. Their ambitions will not be satisfied with group buying. The takeaway they are currently engaged in is a new attempt. New attempts will bring new risks. Whether they can still guarantee that they will not go the wrong way is a challenge. Thank you, and next is my partner Kwang Zhong.
Hello, I'm Kwang Zhongxiao. Thanks to Chen Yu who explained the SWOT of Meituan's current strategy. Let me explain the best stages for lean implementations and how to mitigate the possible issue. Meituan as a takeout industry needs to deliver more orders as soon as possible to improve its competitiveness. So it needs to streamline its distribution system. Meituan's strategies are establish deliver team to ensure delivery efficiency because the outsourced readers lack systematic guidance in delivery process. They are not as efficient as their own readers. Then use AI calculation to give the courier the best route in order to avoid inefficient running back and forth. Then equipped with smart headphones for Connect to avoid distracted use of mobile phone during meal delivery. And next page. Because of lean implementation, some specific circumstances may cause untimely cutting or shortage of manpower, so Meituan need mitigation strategies to solve the possible problems. One thing is unable to deliver on time under specific circumstances. The solution is let the customer choose whether to allow an 8-minute delay in delivery. Another possible issue is due to holiday and COVID-19. The demand for orders increased and the number of readers was insufficient. The solution is increasing the readers subsidy in a specific period of time to guide the reader to deliver meal during peak hours. This mitigation strategies make Meituan can not only carry out lean implementations, but also maintain normal distribution under specific circumstances. And then let's Cai Zijing make a conclusion.
Hello, I'm Zijing Cai. Thank you, Kong. This slide is mainly to introduce how Meituan uses lead production. Meituan is a platform built for sellers and consumers, operate online without O2O integration. The use of lead management has built a strong business line, technology research and development and operation system, and distribution system, forming a close industry chain. The low cost and high efficiency business concept of lead production has brought many benefits to Meituan. On the other hand, Meituan needs to consider the issue of delayed delivery of goods or loss of goods. Reasonable use of lead production can make the management level and operation conditions of the enterprise better and provide consumers with more comfortable servers, and suggest in order to make better use of lead production, Meituan needs to pay attention to three issues: food safely, improving the quality of employees, and consumer perceptions. Food safely includes the production environment and the freshness of the food. Employees are the basis for participating in lead management, and the employees need to have some understanding of lead culture. Customers' perceptions are consumers' feedback on Meituan. Meituan can know its strengths and weaknesses. Customer groups are an important factor in the success of Meituan. Thank you. This is our reference.